Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Huntington online banking account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to get online access to your Huntington bank account right from your computer, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.huntington.com and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official webpage of Huntington Bank, which looks like this. If you'd like to log into an existing account for yourself, you'll be able to see a login box at the top right hand corner. Select your account type, whether it is personal and business, commercial, or other, and choose from the options. And once you find yourself your area, and once you make sure how you'd like to log in, enter your username in the first text box. Head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct as well. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password link, respectively. If you're not enrolled into online banking yet for Huntington Bank and you'd like to do that right now, click on Enroll Now link beneath New to Online Banking. Follow the on-screen prompts and you should be able to sign up for an online banking account for Huntington Bank. After entering all of your credentials, click the Login button and you'll be logged into your Huntington online banking account right away from your desktop. With an online banking account, you can easily get access to your account right from your mobile devices or your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.